Design Cafe's YouTube channel. I'm Deeksha, the designer behind this project. I'm excited to take you on a home tour that beautifully combines natural and classical theme together. As we enter the foyer area, you'll notice the double door that has finishes of brass handles and moldings finished in Duco finish. Now we've taken this inspiration from the building lobby since client had a requirement of something similar, and we've tried to envision that into the entire house. As you enter inside further, you will notice the striking red chandelier that acts as a focal point for the entire house, adding drama and vibrancy to the entire foyer space. Living room, we've considered a mid-century modern theme for the entire living space. If you'll see the color palette that we've gone for beige, brown and black tones. So each and every furniture that you see, starting with the sleek sofa or the center table or the TV unit, has been embraced in terms of considering the entire theme of the house. As a client wanted a simple and sleek TV unit, we've gone for an acrylic beige TV drawers. If you'll see the handles that we've given, we've extended the shutters so you can pull it from the down. So this way it looks, gives a very classy and a clean look to the entire TV unit. Starting with the dining area, so the client desired a statement wall that would highlight the entire dining space. Hence, we thought of a camouflage complete wall where we could go for a tropical wallpaper to hide and camouflage the door and the window. So as you see, this is the main entrance and we've gone for a combination of wallpaper and moldings to cover the entire wall. As we move further, you'll see that we've done the same thing for the door, for the window as well. To talk about the crockery unit that we have, as to blend it with the theme that we've considered, we've gone for a beige acrylic theme for the entire crockery unit with some golden and marble handles. To just highlight the wall above the entryway or the crockery unit, we've gone for a combination of molding and mirrors to highlight the entire wall. Coming to the most important part of the house is the kitchen. As the client had requested for more of a spacious look, we went for grey color palette with black handles. As you can see, to also gel with the theme that we have for the entire house, that is classical, we went for classical molding for the entire kitchen. Now, as you can see, the builder had provided around 10 and a half feet of height. So to utilize complete space, instead of going for a 2 feet usual cabinet, we went for a 3 feet cabinet. This way the client got more space to keep their items that is daily used. So as a client had requested a space for all their appliances, we went for a rolling shutter where all their appliances would be hidden and easy to use. Also, we went for a black complete shutter so that it blends with the entire theme. Just to break the even look of the house, we've also added an open unit where you could keep some artifacts. As requested by the client for a very grounded and cozy master bedroom, we've gone for a theme of black and beige. Now to give a very grand look for the entire headboard, we've gone with beige fabric headboard till the ceiling with some golden strips to give a little bit of luxury look to the entire bedroom. So the wardrobe acts as the most standing out portion of the entire bedroom, as we've gone for a full height wardrobe so that it gives a walk-in wardrobe look. In terms of finishes, we've gone for black lacquered glass with some fabric laminate to give a royal touch to the entire wardrobe. Reflecting simplicity and essential living, the parents' bedroom features light and warm tones, featuring earthy tones for the entire house. So if you'll see, we've gone for single tone for the entire room with striking fabric headboard and also a floral wallpaper for the entire wall as the main focal point for the entire room. Since it's a parent's bedroom, we suggested the client to go for a half shutter and half drawer wardrobe. So it's easier for the parent to use it directly. They don't have to completely open the shutter and then open the drawer. You can directly access the drawer from the outside itself. Also, we've gone for fabric finish laminate and long rose gold copper finish handles just to highlight the entire wall. So the brother's bedroom has more of a cool color palette. We've gone for a combination of grey and sage green here. To give a longer, taller headboard look, we've combined the fabric headboard along with concrete looking rafters. So this completely elevates the entire space and the backdrop of the bedroom. So as you can see, for the wardrobe, we've gone for a combination of grey and a fabric laminate. Now just to give a little bit of royal and luxurious look, we've used the fabric laminate, as you can see, with a framing of black frame for the entire wardrobe. Also, it's a swing wardrobe, but gives a look of a complete sliding wardrobe. Thank you for joining me on this home tour. I hope this home inspires you to try modern and classical theme for your own spaces. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel for more such inspiration homes.